Welcome to Cali Crypto. My name is Dennis. I created this YouTube channel to help you make money in the crypto market and to keep you informed as to everything that's going on in the crypto market. Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I have a lot more content coming out and a lot better thumbnails coming out too. In this video, we're going to cover SamoyedCoin. SamoyedCoin is one of my favorite meme coin potential moonshot bags that I will be accumulating and holding going into the next bull market. Let's just quickly do some rundown on SamoyedCoin. They're ranked 833. So again, very high risk, high reward. This is not financial advice. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Market cap sitting at 11.8 million of market cap. Circulating supply roughly 4 billion tokens. Total supply and max supply maxed out. So the tokenomics look good to me. 24-hour trading volume sitting at 192,000. So pretty good volume. And let's quickly go over to the max time frame chart, right? So let's go back to the good old days of the bull market where everything was euphoric, everyone was getting rich overnight, and Samo hit an all-time high of 23 cents according to CoinGecko, and market cap peaked at 718 million market cap, so almost a billion, just 300 million shy of a billion. So to me, a lot of people think that, oh, well, because SamoyedCoin and Sol and Sam Bankman-Fried, Sol's dead because of Sam Bankman-Fried. Well, you guys are greatly mistaken. Solana is a thriving ecosystem. People are continuously building on it, and the community is a whole vibe. Let's quickly go over to the socials because I like to check that out as well. So they're sitting pretty nice, 123,000 followers, so very relevant when it comes to meme status. They have NFTs. They're big in the community. So one of my favorite parts about the SamoyedCoin team is that they're very active in their Discord. They participate. They throw events. They have events Tuesdays and Thursdays where community members will participate on sharing their thoughts about the crypto markets on Thursdays specifically, and then on Tuesdays they do basically altcoin breakdowns and research every Tuesday, every week. So I really am a big fan, and I genuinely believe in what the team is doing. They seem to be doing a lot of community building within the Discord, but then also in real life. If you're out there going to Solana Breakpoint or other crypto events, usually there will be a team member or a booth somewhere around repping the brand SamoyedCoin. So let's go into the website next. Again, the website's pretty solid. Love the aesthetic. Nothing to complain about on my end. What I really want to get into, right? This is the meat of the sauce here. We're currently sitting at 0.0029 for SamoyedCoin at $11 million market cap. Let's quickly do the math here. So we peaked out at around 718 mil minus 11. So almost a 707x, right? So if let's just say you take $1,000, right? You multiply that by 707. That's $700,000, assuming market cap reaches an all-time high again and price action gets back there. I'm just saying, guys, a lot of potential here, a lot of potential. Let's go into the charts really quickly as well. I want to point out some things because I love mapping this thing out. Don't mind my overly bullish trade setups over here. This is kind of what I'm thinking. Over the next bull cycle, we can do some numbers like this, and ultimately, $1 would be amazing, sitting at 25,000% gains. That would be absolutely insane if given. But let's zoom in quickly and do some TA on Samo. So Samo's been in a very interesting position, right? So we had our very key high that we came up and retapped, right? If you were around here in the bull market, or I'm sorry, the bear market, Samo appeared on Chinese television and it ran up 570% in a day. And it was absolutely insane to be a part of that and watch that happen. But to me, again, down here in this red box area is a really good spot to accumulate Samo. We're beginning to form what I think could be the beginnings of a macro range, as long as this range low over at 0.0023 holds. Otherwise, I'm based off of previous history, you're pretty safe, buying anytime we tag this low. So that's kind of what, that's the TA anyways. But anyways, guys, that's the video for Samo. I want to keep it short and sweet for you guys. If you guys like this type of content and you guys want to see more altcoin gem breakdowns and potential 100x plays, definitely hit me up, like and subscribe, and you'll see a lot more of me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.